parents make the best decisions for their children in the wake of divorce. But Leon Koziol says it became clear to him during his years as an attorney arguing divorce cases that current child support and custody laws are outdated.
Mainstream parents are being lumped in with irresponsible parents, and they're being forced to prove their fitness to the state. And this generates a lot of money for lawyers at the expense of parents.
Koziol filed an action in federal court against New York's unified court system and several court-related defendants. The lawsuit is a test case to see if higher courts will agree that the state's current laws violate a number of parents' rights, including the right to privacy in raising their children. Koziol says he's filed a petition with U.S. Supreme Court that raises questions about whether the state has gone beyond its constitutional limit in child control practices in family court proceedings, and whether or not the current system encourages discrimination based on gender. Koziol says fathers are normally the ones to face discrimination. He says they represent about 85% of the parents paying child support and only around 10% of custodial parents.
We clearly have institutional discrimination occurring here, and this is the last bastion of discrimination remaining unremedied in America today.
Attorneys with concentrations in family law say parents already have alternatives to court, such as mediation, and current procedures don't need to be done away with altogether.
The laws are imperfect. They're created by an imperfect system. They are evolving.
If the state's laws were ruled unconstitutional, Koziol says they could be replaced with parenting orders and agreement between parents. Only those unable to agree would need to go through the court system. Koziol says a federal judge recently denied motions to dismiss his case against New York's court system. He's waiting to hear if his petition is accepted to be heard by the Supreme Court. In Oneida County, Sarah Blazonis, YNN.